Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the case in your LG washer, you will need needle nose pliers and a drill driver with a Phillips bit or Phillips screwdriver. Open the drain cleanout door. Use the pliers and squeeze the tabs at the hinges to remove the door. Unclip the drain hose, then unthread the 2 Phillips screws. Pull out the case. To install the new case, feed the drain hose through the case and place in the washer. Rethread the 2 Phillips screws and clip in the drain hose. Snap the door into place at the hinges. And your washer should be ready for use.